Look around for a second. The world isn't just becoming digital, it's becoming optimized. And this optimization has a strange effect. It tends to make everything look and feel the same. This is the age of AI monoculture, where every brand seems to be becoming the same rounded blob. This isn't just a coincidence, it's a consequence of how we approach progress. We see it in smoother cars, flatter logos, and apps that are all friendly in the exact same way. Today we'll explore how this sameness is not a design trend, but a business outcome. Nobody scheduled a global meeting to make everything look like expensive toothpaste, yet here we are, everything is becoming the same object. This strange modern sameness happens because everyone is solving similar problems with similar tools. A luxury brand needs a logo that works on a phone. A car needs to pass the same safety and aerodynamic tests. Each decision is sensible, but when you stack enough sensible decisions together, you get a world that feels like an airport hotel lobby. It's clean, efficient, smooth, and ultimately forgettable. This creates a business trap, because if everyone becomes easy to like, everyone also becomes easy to replace. It turns out that optimization has a shape. To understand it, we can look at a useful idea from biology called convergent evolution. Sharks and dolphins are not close relatives, but water rewards a certain streamlined shape, so they both evolved to look similar. Business has its own version of water, a set of forces that shape the outcome. These convergence drivers include shared tests, common platforms, safety rules, and optimization metrics. As we see here, you can start with diverse inputs, like different animals or car designs, but once you put them through the same tests, the same rules, and the same algorithms, you get a very similar outcome. The better the test becomes, the more everyone studies for the same exam, and originality starts to disappear. This brings us to a critical point that should make every strategy deck a little nervous. The average customer is a ghost. You can design a product for a statistical average, but that average person does not actually exist. People do. This is why bland brands feel safe in research but weak in the real world. They offend nobody, but they excite nobody. Then they quietly wonder why nobody remembers them. AI makes this story even sharper, because AI turns sameness into infrastructure. It's not just another tool, it's a distribution system for the average. Researchers have warned about this in science too, a kind of monoculture where the same topics and methods get reinforced. The danger is not that AI is stupid. The danger is that AI can be very helpful in the exact same way for everyone, scaling this monoculture incredibly fast. So if you enjoy this kind of business analysis, please like the video and subscribe to Business Undercurrent. It helps us keep digging into these important topics. Now, if AI is pushing us towards this monoculture, what is the strategic response? The answer is not to make every product aggressively strange. That would be exhausting. The point is more precise. You need to own an edge. Sameness is useful until it becomes a commodity. Think of the Cybertruck. Whether you love it or hate it, it reminds us that memorability has business value. The lesson is not to make everything angular. It's to know where your category has become too smooth, and then introduce a deliberate edge. In a market full of rounded blobs, the edge is where attention collects. Don't chase the center, because true weirdness is a moat.